word history has several meanings and definitions according to various scholars. Although, in general terms or according to a layman definition, history is a study of past events. It can also mean everything that had occurred in the past. History from Latin word historia, meaning inquiry, that is, knowledge acquired by investigation, is the study of the past, a continuous, systematic narrative of past events as relating to a particular period, people, country, person, and so on, usually written as a chronological account. History is a cover term that relates to past occurrences as well as the memory, discovery, collection, presentation, organization, and interpretation of information about these events. Explicitly, the people, societies, events, and problems of the past, as well as our attempts to comprehend them. According to John Jacob Anderson, history is a narration of the events which have happened among mankind, including an account of the rise and fall of nations, as well as of other great changes which have affected the political social condition of human race. E.H. Carr posited it that history is a dialogue between the present and the past. So whether you like it or not, there is no denying the impact it leaves on us. However, series of events had occurred prior to the time of invention of written materials, and thus eluded writing documentations. These events occurring before the discovery of writing structures and arrangements are considered prehistory. According to the French philosopher Voltaire, the first foundations of all histories are the recitals of the fathers to the children, transmitted afterward from one generation to another. At their origin, they are at the very most probable, but when they do not shock common sense and they lose one degree of probability in each generation. One of the ancient Greek writer Plutarch mentioned that so very difficult a matter it is to trace and find out truth of anything by history. All of these thoughts bring us to the point to ponder and ask questions. Can we agree with all the narrations of events handed down the surface of the earth? In African culture, for example, the biography of great personalities like Mansa Kanka Musa of Mali Empire, Askia Muhammad the Great of Songhai Empire, Oromeyan the First Alaafin of Oyo, Bayajida of the Hausa Kingdoms, and Saka Zulu of the Zulu Kingdoms, to mention but few. The tales of how they built their empires and their stories have different fashions as a result of different points of view, the time of the writing, and what biases may have shaped the historical period. From all the fashions of story we have come across, how do we know which was true of all this narration? This means history is subject to revision and reinterpretation. Each generation looks to the past through its own eyes. It applies different standards, priorities, and values, and reaches different conclusions about the past. The story of how history differs and has changed over time is called historiography. Historiography is a study of the disciplines and practice of history and the writings of past historians. It refers to how history has been produced, the methodological, practical, and the philosophical aspect of history. It ensures we do not blindly trust what we read from historians hundreds and thousands of years ago. Scholars who focused on history are called historians. The roles of historians is to place the past in context using sources from moments and events and filling in the gap to their best ability. Written documents are not the only sources historians use to develop their understanding of the past. They also use material objects, oral accounts, ecological markers, arts, and artifacts as historical sources. Herodotus, who lived between 484 BC to 425 BC, is often considered the father of history.
This history channel is a new one, and to be able to bring you more history videos, kindly click down below to subscribe to my channel and turn on the notifications so as to be able to view my next video faster. Thanks so much for watching. Obrigado, gracias, merci, kamshamida, eshe pupo.